Hey everyone, we're here to talk about the 2023 design trends. Super excited. We're going to just talk about 3 of them today that are meaningful to me and our team here at Trademark. And the first one is community. So nothing's more important than gathering with family, making connections that are important and meaningful, and really spending time with those that we love. So what we'll see is kind of a big shift from these big open spaces and multifunction spaces, and we're closing that in and creating some more intimate areas where people can really sit down and connect. And whether that's TV watching, game playing, reading, what have you, we're really creating areas for community and connection. I think it's just such a great trend, and it makes sense after everything that's happened over the last few years that we really come together even more. So we're excited about that. The second really important one is sustainability. Of course, we can't get away from it. It's everywhere. It's what we need to do. It's important for our environment. It's important for our community as well. So we are making strides at Trademark to reduce our footprint here in the studio with our clients, and we're moving towards more sustainable vendors and practices here and making sure we identify those for our clients. What does that mean for you when you're designing your home? Well, first of all, make sure that who you're buying from has some sustainability practices in place. It's important for everyone to be accountable and responsible for our part in saving our planet, right? So in addition to that, you can always use these great vintage pieces, upcycled pieces, look for recycled materials. Those will go a long way in kind of helping with the sustainability practices. That is a huge trend for 23. The third and final is mixed era. So mixed era means basically we're pulling design elements from generations gone by. And why do we love that? Well, first of all, we can have heirlooms from our family, things that were important to our parents and grandparents, and have those special pieces mixed into the design of our homes. Great way would be to take a look at some of the vintage stores around your town and your area and find some really unique pieces. Kind of pulling this all together really creates super interesting interiors. So it's really a win-win for everyone. The other part of kind of that mixed era thing is we see the furnishing designers doing kind of reiterations on classics. So it's reimagined classics, old shapes and forms that are coming into new life in 2023 with a really fresh look, but it's really, just a classic design that has just a new vision. So very exciting. Keep your eyes open for that. Have fun with your home design, and we hope that you embrace the 2023 design trends in your home.